Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth practical tutorial of Microbiology BPharm Semester 5. In today's practical session, we are going to talk about slant streaking, which is a miniature version of streak plate method that we discussed in practical tutorial number 3. Also, in today's session, we are going to learn one more technique which is known as stabbing method, in which both aerobic and anaerobic microorganisms can be cultivated simultaneously within a single test tube. The basic gowning procedure, entry inside the aseptic area, will remain the same as we have discussed in our previous videos. Also, we should emphasize the importance of cleaning the place before commencing of the practical work. So, all the basic steps will remain the same as we have discussed in our previous practical tutorials. For slant streaking, take previously sterilized test tube containing solidified agar but in the form of a slant, as shown in the video. Now, take an inoculating loop and sterilize it over a burner using direct flame sterilization method. To perform streaking, take master culture and transfer a loop full of culture with the help of sterilized inoculating loop on the solidified agar containing test tube. Make zigzag patterns covering as much area as possible, keeping the test tube horizontal throughout the practical duration. Also, take care to complete the practical as soon as possible to avoid any chances of cross-contamination. After completion of practical, label the test tube accordingly and keep in incubation for 24 hours at 37 plus minus 0.5 degree Celsius. For stabbing method, we will take previously sterilized test tube containing agar in the form of a layer. After that layer of agar is solidified, we are ready to perform our practical. Also, in this practical, the inoculating loop will be replaced by a wire-like pointed thing at the end, because, as the name suggests, we will be stabbing a handful of microorganisms in the solidified agar. So now, let's begin our practical, with which you need to take your inoculating loop, rather inoculating wire, which needs to be sterilized directly over the burner first. After sterilization, that loop is utilized for transferring of microorganism from the mixed culture containing test tube over the solidified agar containing test tube in a single stroke, which we call as stabbing method. After completion of the practical, label the test tube accordingly and keep it in incubation for 24 hours at 37 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. Observe the results after 24 hours. At the end of 24 hours, the following results are observed. In the first practical, which is slant streaking, zigzag patterns of growth of microorganisms are observed. In the second test tube, which was stabbing, there will be a single stroke of anaerobic microorganisms growing beneath the layers of agar, and there will be a complete growth of aerobic microorganisms on the surface of the same agar, solidified agar test tube. So, simultaneously, we are going to observe both the category of microorganisms, aerobic and anaerobic.